Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2013 Honda Shadow Aero. Gorgeous 750cc V-twin fuel-injected, liquid-cooled, and this one has ABS brakes. A pretty rare option for the Shadows. Shaft drive, no chain to mess with, only 4,680 miles. Gorgeous satin black. Come on by and make your mid-weight, low seat height cruiser dreams come true for just $44.90. This thing has a 25-inch seat height. Beautiful bike, ready to make your cruiser dreams come true. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.